Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your cabin air filter. First, you'll need to locate the filter housing, which is often behind the glove box or sometimes under the hood on the passenger side. This easy maintenance task can significantly improve the air quality inside your vehicle and help your heating and air conditioning system work more efficiently. It's a simple process that most car owners can complete in about 15 to 20 minutes, saving you time and money. Once you've identified the filter's location, the next step is gaining access. For many vehicles, this involves emptying your glove box and then gently pressing in on the sides to release its retaining clips. You might also need to detach a small dampener arm. This allows the glove box to swing down further, revealing the rectangular filter housing cover. In some cases, you may need a screwdriver to remove one or two small screws before the cover can be opened. With the housing exposed, you'll see the old cabin air filter. Before pulling it out, pay close attention to the airflow direction arrow printed on its side. This is crucial for correct installation of the new filter. Gently slide the old filter straight out. Then, carefully insert the new filter, making sure the airflow arrow points in the same direction as the old one. Ensure it sits snugly and completely within the housing for optimal performance. After the new filter is securely in place, reattach the housing cover and any screws you removed. Then, carefully lift and push the glove box back into its original position, ensuring the retaining clips or dampener arm are re-engaged. You've now successfully replaced your cabin air filter. This simple task, taking less than 20 minutes, provides cleaner air for you and your passengers and helps your vehicle's climate control system operate at its best. Aim to replace it every 12,000 to 15,000 miles.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.